Hello my friends! Welcome back to my channel. So this week I received a fall package from Beneunder. If you guys aren't familiar, they are my favorite athleisure wear brand. I've been using their clothing for the past 2+ years, and essentially they last. Their quality, their UV protection, and they're just incredible. So this week I have an action-packed week, and so I wanted to show you guys outfits of the week with my Beneunder clothes. I will leave everything in the description box and a discount code for you right here. But I want to start off with something a little bit more casual and very comfy. Today is a cold, rainy day here in Boulder, Colorado, and I have this white shirt, and I love how basic it is. You could tuck it in, you can wear it with these are flared yoga pants, and you can wear them in yoga, you can wear them with casual clothing, and today I'm gonna wear it like this because it is raining. But I love it because these pants have like ribbing on it. They're very stretchy, very comfortable. And also it has some pockets in the back. So love that. Love this whole outfit. Very like basic, but very essential. You can wear it to go anywhere or wear it to work out. But since it is raining, I also have my rain jacket from Beneunder. I love this sage color. It is sage and this like lime green and gray. And I'm gonna wear that out because it is raining. It has a hood like so, and it also has like little cinching on the side, and then it has all these little details, pockets like so, and I am good to go. So this is basically my outfit for today. Rainy day, I'm gonna cozy up, go to the orthodontist, have a few errands, and then I'm gonna cook. I already played pickleball this morning, and then I think I'm gonna crochet and also read a book because today is a rainy day, and then also help JT with some work. So outfit of the day, uno, and stay tuned for the other outfits. So thank you so much guys, and let's go to the next day. As you can see, it is pouring outside, but I am waiting at the orthodontist appointment for my daughter, and I realized I had little finger pockets in the shirt. I forgot to show you, but also I forgot to tell you in the intro that I also have a backpack reveal to show you guys from Beneunder. I used to primarily be a purse and handbag channel, but I've kind of been veering off and doing lifestyle vlogs, jewelry, clothing, and so I wanted to mention that I have a cool backpack that of course you bag and purse lovers will love. So stay tuned for that, and I'm just gonna finish crocheting right now. I actually am going to Aspen this weekend, so I think I'm gonna vlog. It's like a birthday celebration, a dual one, and I'm gonna make a poncho, a fall poncho, because in Aspen it is peak fall colors in the trees, and so I want to like have fall inspiration and wear a poncho and my hat and everything. So yeah, anyways, I shall let you go. See you soon. Hello my friends, I am actually heading to a wedding right now, so I'm gonna wear this Beneunder one-piece bodysuit. It's very tight and very form-fitting, and I love this nude color, and I love that it comes with built-in pads, but of course you can take out the pads. What I really like about this bodysuit is that What I really like about this bodysuit is that there's adjustable clips at the bottom, so you can have it for one size button or two size, like if you want a bigger area down here. I'll show you probably tomorrow when I get back from the wedding. So it's up in the mountains. I'm not wearing this outfit at the wedding, but I'm just driving up there. It's about a 2-hour drive to Winter Park, Colorado, and so I just want to be comfy wearing these loose pants with some boots, and also I have this bag right now. So yeah, I absolutely love this top, and I'm gonna wear this under my wedding outfit. So let me change real quick and I will show you what it looks like real quick. Love this top. This is a size small. Oh, look how snatched and form-fitting it is. Love. All right guys, I was gonna wear my Beneunder long shirt underneath, but it didn't fit right here, so it was showing, so I just wore like a tube top bra. But I'm wearing this dress. It was actually white before, but I just dyed it in coffee and then let it sun dry. So there's a little like a little bit of unevenness, but I like that. It kind of gives it a retro vibe. And then also I have this for the nighttime. I think that's cute. Okay. Either way, before we head out, I just wanted to show you guys real quick what I was talking about. So inside the Beneunder shirt, there's two little sections of buttons right here and right here, so you can adjust it to your size, smaller or bigger. And then there's like a little lining inside if you don't want to wear underwear. But love it. It's like stretchy, thin, but very form-fitting. All right, heading to the wedding. All right guys, so today I just finished playing pickleball this morning and had to do a change of outfit because I'm going to do pickleball tonight. And so I have this top from Beneunder. It can double as a sports bra or as a shirt, like an athletic shirt. I absolutely love this color. This is like a sage color and it is a padded bra slash top. I got it this time in a size medium. I did get a small, but I'm also, it was very tight, which it worked for me, but I wanted it a little bit looser and a little bit bigger for a shirt. So I have it paired with these shorts. These are just from Target, but I love the details in the back of this top. The hole right here, and then it says Beneunder down the back. Love that. But also it is cold outside. But also it's gonna be cold outside, so I gotta dress in layers. So I have this dusty pink top from Beneunder. Love it. I'm gonna wear that on top, and then if I get hot, I can always take off this top. So let me put it on for you. This is a size small. The only thing that's in a size medium is the Sage sports bra. So I love it because it can zip up, has the pocket detail of the thumb detail so you can put your hands in there. And this is the top. Perfect to exercise in. You can keep it down like this and show a little bit of the sage green. And because we are playing pickleball like around sunset, since we're playing pickleball around sunset, I am gonna wear the sunglasses that are also from Beneunder. Love this compact case. You can wear it around your wrist, tie it onto your bag or whatnot, and it says Beneunder in the front. This is my, I think, 5th pair of sunglasses from Beneunder, and their sunglasses are definitely my favorite out of like everything. Pretty much, I love their sunglasses the most. I love their clothes, but I just really like their sunglasses. UV protection, polarized, and let me clean the top because I just wore it the other day. But either way, it is a tortoise design, as you can maybe see. And it says Beneunder at the side. Wide, tall, like they're big frames, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna wear that while it's sunsetting, and then obviously when the sun sets I'll take it off. But love their sunglasses. And again, my nose bridge is super like small, so I always do like the shake head test to see if it comes off, and pretty stable. So yeah, here is my pickleball outfit. We're gonna go play and I will check in tomorrow with my next outfit. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the pocket. I just discovered this now is a full pocket, so if your hands get cold, you can put your hands in there, put your hands in there, and it's connected. So yeah, really like it a lot. Hi. Hey, so good morning. It's Monday. I have to hurry because we're going on this 8-mile hike in the Rocky Mountains National Park, but I want to show you a quick outfit of the day. So this is all actually Beneunder, but this is old. You can hold it still, thank you. And so this top is a top that I got a few months ago. And then this is another top that is padded top, so it's gonna be comfortable. They're all moisture wicking, UV protected. So I'm pretty much gonna keep this top on the whole time, probably when I hike or take it off, you know, or whatsoever, but I will vlog if I can. And then these pants as well are my newest, just got sent from Beneunder. I love it. It's a dark brown, very comfortable, and UV protection, etc. You look hot. You guys look hot.
One more time.
Okay.
I was slow on the breath.
Thank you.
Oh, this is the most healing place. What? We just left and it looked like it was sprinkling, so I put on my Beneunder rain jacket, which is so good for the wind, so good for the rain too. But we're leaving Sky Pond and heading down. Wow. Okay, so today I have this top on, and everything that I'm wearing is actually from Beneunder, but the only thing that's new is this fall long sleeve shirt. And then I have this skirt from a couple months ago, and I absolutely love it all the time. I absolutely love it and wear it all the time. But this one I really like because it's like stretchy, it's ribbed, and then there's like buttons right here, so you could actually just wear it like to go work out or wear it as like an underlayer for like skiing and whatnot. But right now it's actually like 70 or 60 something, so I'm just wearing it casually. I went to the library today, and then I'm going to a skincare event, so I'm going to change out of it. But yeah, I like it. It has a little Beneunder logo right here. It's this dusty pink, and so here's my full outfit. Oh, don't look at the feet though. Thank you. And then here's a little bit more like detail, because excuse me. No, here's a little more detail because you can see the ribbing right here, and the stretch is really nice. So very, very comfortable, and I love this top. Love it. I am waiting in the car for my daughter for pickup, and wanted to show you guys the glasses again with a different outfit. I just feel these glasses are so versatile, and so it's a different lighting. Before I was inside, and now I'm out in the sun, and yeah, I love it. I love that these glasses can be sporty, but they also can be elevated too, so love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, I just wanted to finish off the vlog. Thank you so much for joining me, but the last thing I want to show you before I go is this Beneunder backpack. I absolutely love this, and I will be packing this soon because I'm gonna go hiking, and this bag is not as big as, it's like half the size as a regular backpack. So if you can see, I'm gonna put it on real quick through the mirror. You see how much smaller it is than a regular backpack? Let's scoot it back. Yeah, so it's smaller. You can wear it lower like that, or tighter and higher up. And there is excuse me. And then there is 3 openings, you know, like you could put water on the side or some kind of something in the middle. And let me open it real quick so you can see, because the inside's really cool. I'll put you down here real quick. This is such a weird angle, but this is what I have right now. And the inside's like this neon green. This bag, it's super affordable. I like it. I believe it's like nylon. And then the inside has this little pocket in the front, so you can put like your ID card or wallet. And then it has like this back pocket in right here. And it's quite spacious. So because I'm going hiking and it's not like a really long, it's not a really long hike, that I don't need it to take such a big backpack. So this will be a smaller one. And also, you know, you definitely could just not use it on a hike. You can use it any time like now, but I'm definitely going to use this for a hike. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and the outfits that I wore. Today, I'm just wearing an older Beneunder pants, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. Also, I will leave the links, and also I believe I have a discount code for you guys too, so definitely check them out. All right, guys, I love you so much, and I'll check in later. Bye.